This past weekend, we put in a laminate floor at a relative's house, and it was a pretty big job with lots of little nooks and crannies and corners and doorways and furnace openings that had to be maneuvered around. The room itself had two sections to it, and one section of the room was a little bit wider at one end than the other, just by inches. So we had to do lots of little intricate cuts and shaping, and in fact, I had to rip some individual boards down from, say, a length of 5 inches at one end to 4 inches at the other. I had to rip those freehand, and this blade took care of all of that. I didn't have any problems with chipping. This blade was able to shape all those little notches and cuts and zigzags and the ripping perfectly. I was able to do it all freehand, and every single one of those boards came out perfectly. I didn't lose a single board to anything that had to do with this blade. I was using it on, a pretty janky little table saw to boot, so I was super happy with this. If you've got a laminate floor job that you need to get done and you're thinking about getting this blade, do it. I would highly recommend this one. It absolutely got the job done for me, and I'm super happy with it. I think you will be too. So I hope this helps.